Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network, with me, Dior Shaari. Okay, I had experience with this from someone. This is actually if you have someone inside the prison, specifically in forgot what it is. The Singapore. Yeah, so this is the list that you can give them like 150 ringgit, and then from there they can shopping. Okay, so in the canteen. So let's go through the item from the menu. So here is this RM, so like 150 the maximum, and then the barang Jumpa, and then my phone hotel. You can give them for calling like 30 ringgit, 50 ringgit, or 100 ringgit, and then that's their number and everything. Okay, the item itself. So let's see. This is all in RM. Okay, like mee goreng siam RM 650. Okay. All right. Okay, then at the back, 129 there. So there's 197 item. Okay. After this, I will show you some of the item from the prison. Okay, so that's it. So this is up to date on May 2024. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.